Stop letting other people's opinion decide your future. Look, I'm just an average person. I'm 53 years old. I've worked in healthcare for the past 24 years and I'm burnt out. I'm frustrated. I felt stuck. I didn't even know who I was. I felt like I blinked and it was like 30 years later and I'm like, who in the heck am I? And do I really want to continue working in healthcare, being on that same hamster wheel, doing the same thing over and over and over for the next 20 years? No, I didn't. Look, I want you to save this video. I want you to follow me and I want you to share this video because I have a message for you. Anybody can make money online. That's all you have to do is find something you're passionate about and solve somebody's problem and show up every single day sending out your message of what that solution is. Don't get caught up in, I'm not pretty, I'm not smart enough, I don't have time, my friends and family are gonna make fun of me. Look, most of the time when I show up, I'm usually a hot mess because I've been to the gym or I've been at work all day and I wear a hat all day long, so I take it off and I don't even wash my hair maybe once a week, twice a week, but I don't worry about that because I want to help you solve your problem. And you're probably like, well, what is that problem you're helping me solve? Guys, you do not have to spend your life working for somebody else. You can learn a high income skill on how to market a digital product online and you can earn money by doing that. Now that digital product can be something that somebody else has created for you that you can resell over and over for 100% of the profit. That's what I did because I didn't have time to create my own product. I didn't have a ton of money to invest in creating my own product. So I leveraged somebody else's product. I know a lot of people get on here and they're like, I don't know what to do. What are all these people doing that are showing up on social media and nobody's telling me? Well, I'm here to tell you, I'm just recommending a product that was already created for me. I show up every day and I drive traffic to that product. And when somebody purchases that product, I get 100% of that commission. It is not, I don't want to make it sound like this is easy because you do have to show up every day and you do have to put the work in and it's probably like 1 to 2 hours a day, but I'm simplifying this process for you. I'm giving everything to you that you could possibly need. What I give to you when you purchase from me is you get a business in a box, a 90% done for you. Not only do you get the digital course that you can resell over and over for 100% that's already done for you, but you are going to get my sales funnel, my email campaign, you're going to get my social media bundle all for free. You get to clone that. And then when you clone it, you can turn around and make it yours. The only thing you have to do is you have to edit it. And then I'm going to be there for you, waiting for you to take you by your hand and show you exactly how to edit it. So the only thing you really have to focus on is showing up here every day, creating content just like this around anything you want and being consistent, posting 2 to 3 times a day, solving somebody's problem. So if you are ready to get started, make sure you comment ready and I'm going to be waiting there to help you get started.